What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online in 2026 without any effort. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you how I earned $447 in 3 days with no effort on my part. This was dropped into my lap. I tapped into it and it just flat out works. If you are looking for a way to make money online where you don't have to build an audience, where you don't have to have an email list, where you don't have to do any of the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube videos, posting on Facebook, you just simply want something you can plug into and that you're willing to invest into and then let it do the work for you, then this just might be for you. Now, I'm not going to tell you not to build your email list. You still need to build an email list because you can email this to your list and let them check it out. But always be building an email list. But as far as an audience and all of that, you don't have to do any of this stuff now. What I'm about to share with you, it blew my mind because I have never seen anything like this. And if you are a beginner, then watch this video to the end. Even if you have been doing affiliate marketing for a while, you probably haven't seen anything like this either. So go ahead on and check it out. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. Cool. So what I'm about to share with you is called EzProfits. You paste your link and you get paid. It's as simple as that. This is invite only, so don't go trying to Google it and get in. You can't get in because you have to be invited by someone, and I'm extending that invitation to you right now. So as I said before, paste the link, get paid. EzProfits is a private affiliate program platform for people who want income without a website, an audience, any tech skill. Share your personal link and we handle the rest. You copy your link, we give you one link to share that link, paste it anywhere: Facebook, WhatsApp, email, TikTok, bio. Okay, get paid 100% commission per sale. And look, this does work. It's working for me, and I'm going to show that to you. So if you should go Google this page, this is what you're going to come to. It's going to simply tell you to get back. EzProfits is right here, an invite only. Click the personal link of a friend who shared this with you to activate your account. This is for me to put in my email address and to get in my account. This is invite only. The same thing is going to happen to you. When you click the link in the description, this is the page that you're actually going to come to. Okay, your invite is ready. Start earning in under 60 seconds. Drop your, you know what to do. Put your email down here, put your information down here, and claim your $100. Now, here's the beauty. Drop your email below and we're going to credit you $100 in free buyer traffic to your account so you can test EzProfits without spending a dollar. In other words, they're going to give you $100 into your account. You don't have to do make any investment. You don't have to come out of pocket. Okay. They're going to give you $100 in free buyer traffic, and they are going to send the traffic. The only thing you have to do is put in your name and your email here and claim your $100 to get started earning. Takes 10 seconds, no credit card, no commitment. You don't even have to stick with it. But once you see what starts happening, you're going to want to stick with it. It's free forever, paid weekly. Already there's 3,461 members. Okay, what happens when you log in? You log in instantly, no password, no verification. They're going to credit you $100 in buyer credit to your account. Pick an offer, send, and watch the results. That's it. This is the only page. So click the link in the description to get to this page. Now, before I actually take you inside of the account, okay, that I have set up, I want to show you some of the emails that I've gotten. Okay, now look, keep this in mind. I got this on April the 15th, which was Wednesday. Okay, and this is the email. It says you have been credited $100 in tier 1 traffic. So you're going to get this same email. Okay, we just added 125 real buyer clicks to your account completely free. These are tier 1 clicks from US, UK, Canada, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. They are already being sent to your affiliate link. So what does this mean? Real people are visiting your link right now. When they buy, you earn a commission automatically. Okay, so you can earn $25 just by reading Mikey's story when you log in. So when you get in, so you're just simply going to click this button and then you're going to be taken to your account. But let's go back. I want to just show you a few more things. You can see all these. You made a sale, 2 here. 7 here. Okay, let me just open them up. That was 6 sales here. Okay, and let me scroll down because I want you to see this. And if we scroll back up, okay, that was April the 15th. April the 15th, 3 days ago. April the 15th, April the 15th, April the 15th, April the 15th at 2:30, 2 o'clock p.m. Let's go back. Then we're going to move up. April the 16th, April the 16th, 16th, 17th, 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 17th. Okay, all of these are sales that I have made without any effort whatsoever. Let's go back. Just made a sale. Okay, that was today, 9 hours ago, or 6:30 a.m., 9 hours ago, and 7 hours ago. Okay, you see the sales here. Now, what I'm going to do right here, you've already seen it. Okay, I'm going to log into my dashboard. I'm just going to click View Dashboard, and here it is. Get this pop-up out of the way. I've already earned $511.38 pending 34 sales, 191 clicks. Okay, 17.8% conversion. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk you through this website just to give you an idea of what you're going to see when you click the link in the description and get yours. Okay, so your path to earning, pick your speed, 3 ways to turn the battle tested products into real income, our top earner. Okay, one thing you can do is share your link. Okay, you got a special link. You can share it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, in your email, or whenever somebody buys, you earn 20% commission. That's 1. This is where you're going to be. Okay, step 2, you can buy traffic. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the fast track to speed up the process, and the option to upgrade to gold, which I have not done yet, but right now I'm at 20%, but you can earn 65% on every sale forever. Okay, and the sale that you have already made, that I've already made here, the $511 is going to go up to $993.15 if I should decide to upgrade to with the $895 one time when I do that. Okay, and then you got a pro move here. You do them in order, upgrade to lock in higher commission. We just talked about that. And then to make some quick cash, we'll come over here and look at it down here. Okay, and you can earn up to $54 credited straight to your balance. So let's look at the products. In the product section, this is one of the products. This is EzProfit. You earn $9.99 straight to your account one time. Okay, you earn it one time. You earn $9.99 per lead, no tier cut. This is going to be into your account. This is where you can send your first links. Okay, this is where you can copy your invite and you can see your statistic. This is one of the products. Another product is EzProfits Cash Flow Shortcuts, and it tells you the price and what you earn. The price is $77. You earn $15.40. Cash Flow Profits is Cash Flow Shortcuts is $20. You earn $14 per sale. Crypto Profits is $97. You earn $19.40. These are one-time sales. Then you have drop shift profits. Okay, and then you have SMS profits, and then you have Wi-Fi profits. Okay, these are for gold tier and gold tier, these two here, and premium down here. Okay, so you simply can see your statistic. You can grab your links right here and you got your first click. Okay, and you can buy traffic to all of these inside of here. Here's the beauty of this: when you purchase traffic, it's going to promote these products for you. Okay, if you're on the silver level, you can only promote these 4: the EzProfit, EzProfit, Cash Flow Shortcuts, and Crypto Profit. If you upgrade to gold, then you can do Dropship Profit, SMS Profit, and if you go platinum, you can do Wi-Fi Profit. So you'll have all of them in here in which you can earn from. You notice it doesn't tell you how much it costs and all of that things right there. Okay, so that's that. Let's go to commissions. Okay, available to withdraw. I cannot withdraw until it clears after 30 days. This month, $461.38. Share bonuses and things like that. Okay, And understand that every commission you earn is held for 30 days before it comes available to withdraw. This protects against refunds and chargebacks. Okay, so right now I'm earning 20% on every sale. I can jump to gold. Once again, they're trying to get me to upgrade, but you can look at all of the sales down here, okay? All of the sales that have come in, the dates over here. And I haven't promoted this on Facebook. This is the first YouTube video I'm doing about it. Just sharing it with you and inviting you to join. And if you want to earn some more money, okay, you can share this and earn $1. If I click on that, I can share this from Facebook, the earnings on Facebook, and earn $1, okay? So in other words, if I share all of these for $1 each, you earn $1. How many of these are there? Oh, 1, 2, let's see, 34 sales. That's $34. Okay, I think it said 34 sales, so that would be $34 if I share all of these down here. Okay, so let's go down here, and we're going to go to cash out. This is where you can simply cash out, put in whatever you want right here before you want to get paid. Okay, you can buy traffic. When you get ready to purchase traffic, you can purchase any amount of traffic all the way down to $50. Now, this just changed, so they must have updated. It was $200 all the way up to see 1,000 clicks. Okay, so but you can go up as high as you want to. You see how that thing keep going? You want to buy 6,000, you can. If you want to buy 10,000, you can do that. Okay, so you're able to choose the amount, and just know that this traffic is specifically for the products inside of here. Okay, this is the campaign that I have set up. 92 clicks have been delivered, so still got some coming through. Okay, so you see that there. Once again, you can buy traffic. My campaigns, again, you can see them right here. We already looked at that. Transactions, you can see the transactions. I did not put this $100 in here. It was already there. They gave it to me free on Wednesday, April the 15th, 5:50 p.m. Okay, if I look at view, it'll show you right here what happened and when it happened. So this is going to happen for you. Quick cash. Here's another beauty that you can do. Every time you share your sale, as I showed you before, I have $34 waiting. I can share my sales. If I click here, it's going to take me back over here for me to share my sales. Okay, go back to quick cash. Now, if you tell them about yourself, it's a little survey, you earn $25. It's already credited to my balance. I have done that. When you read Mike's story, which is over here, you're going to get another $25. I have done that. The next thing I need to do is send Mikey a WhatsApp, okay? And then I'm going to earn another $20. I haven't set up WhatsApp yet. Don't know if I'm going to do it. I might, but just to get the $20 or whatever, but I don't know. If you got WhatsApp, you can go ahead and send Mikey your WhatsApp, and $20 will be credited to your account. I've earned $50 so far. You see that right here. Okay, so that's that. And then you'll see Mikey's story. Go ahead and read his story. Then once you read his story, you're going to come down here and click, and you're going to be credited. Okay, and then you can also see the leaderboards here. We won't get into that. And then down here, this is where you'll see your settings and stuff. So back to the dashboard. It takes you back to the dashboard. As you can see, it's telling me what I've earned. So it's a pop-up. I can scale up my traffic, okay, and get more traffic. But I'm going to let this run, and then I'm going to come back and purchase more traffic. But like I said, remember, all of the traffic are specifically for the products within here. You don't have to go to ClickBank. You don't have to go to Warrior Plus. You don't have to go to JV Zoo or any of those places. All of the products are right here ready for you to go. The only thing you have to do is click the link in the description, put in your name and email, and click get started. Come and get an email. Okay, you're going to get an email just like this right here. Okay, and then it's going to tell you what to do. Just follow the steps in the process. Okay, that's all you have to do to get into your account, and they are going to start promoting for you. In other words, this is set it and forget it. The only thing you have to do, okay, if you want to, is where it says, let's go back over here to Quick Cash, share sales. You can share this on Facebook if you want to. That's totally up to you. You don't have to create a video, just share it on Facebook and show them that you've done it, and you're gonna earn $1, okay? The only other thing that this is critical is purchasing traffic. Once you have gone through, once the 100 free clicks that they give you, or 125 clicks, come back over here and purchase $50 worth, okay? $100 worth, 200. Drag it up to wherever you want. $50 is going to give you 50 clicks. 100 is going to give you 100 clicks. 300 is going to give you 375. But the beauty of it, you can drag this in between to 200 if you want to, okay? So that's totally up to you. You want to go up to 400? Hey, do it. That's totally up to you. But just continue to get traffic, send it to these products, and then go on about your merry way. That's how I earned $447 in 3 days. And if you would like to get started, click the link in the description. Go ahead and set up your free account and get started. I'll see you on the inside. Want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.